So here's how you can repost a story on Instagram. Now, this is only possible when you've been mentioned in that story. So what you need to do is to check out your contacts section or like the messages within Instagram to see if you haven't been mentioned. If you have, then tap on that, view the story, and a little button to repost it on your own profile should appear right there at the bottom. So you can click on that, perhaps add something to it, like add from the regular effect of the Instagram story creation, and then you can go ahead and publish it as your own. Obviously, you'll be able to then redirect back to the original story because it's only been like reposted from the original user. But this is the only way how you can connect them. So let me know below if it works for you. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future uploads. Also, if you like the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up, and in case of any questions, go ahead and leave them below. Again, thanks a lot, and I'm gonna catch you later.